What is the number one meme coin on Solana? Well, how can we measure that too? Is it measured by market cap? Is it measured by trading volume? Are we measuring it by social media metrics? Well, I'm going to share with you guys what I believe is going to be the number one meme token on Solana by the peak of this bull market. A bull market in which I believe there is still 200 to 300 days left of, which means we have so much upside still ahead of us. Not just for the Solana memes, for the entire crypto market, but today I want to hone in on what I believe is the number one meme coin of the future on Solana. And it's not bonk, and it's not dog with hat. It's something new. It's PNUT the Squirrel, guys. On this channel, we came out and did a video, and I've already shared in extensive detail on my live streams the exact video about now 15 or 16 days ago. I forget exactly what the day was. We put out a video on our YouTube channel when PNUT the Squirrel was only at about a $20 million market cap. PNUT the Squirrel went to a $2 billion market cap, meaning that is a over 100x play that we called on this channel. And I believe that by the end of this bull market, when it comes to looking at what the biggest meme coin on Solana was, I think it's going to be PNUT the Squirrel. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me get into this. Let me share a little bit of detail as to why in this video. And let me be very clear. I'm still very, very bullish on bonk. I'm very, very bullish on dog with hat. There's some other ones out there. I know people like Popcat. I think this is a meme coin bull run. I'm just simply saying PNUT the Squirrel might be number one. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on X if you're not doing so already. Give us a repost if you haven't done so already. And let's talk a little bit about PNUT the Squirrel. Because again, still, over the last 7 days, this is the top coin. It's currently sitting at a $1.6 billion market cap. And from its previous highs, which was about $2.4 billion, it's down a lot, over 30%, which means this could be a dollar cost averaging opportunity. This could be an initial entry position for those people that missed out on its run from 20 million all the way to 2 billion. Now, I hate to say this, guys, but the possibility of PNUT the Squirrel, even though I think it's one of the top memes on Solana, I think that the 100x opportunities here are over. I don't believe that there's a logical chance for PNUT the Squirrel to go to $160 billion in market cap. Now, could that happen? It might happen. I don't really know, okay? Why do I keep talking about market caps? For those of you guys that aren't aware of this, and I know there's a lot of people that are still learning about cryptocurrency that might be watching this video right now. When I talk about market cap, what I'm talking about is the overall amount of money that is invested into any kind of asset. So whether it be a crypto or gold, right? The market cap of gold is like $14 trillion. $14 trillion is invested in gold, right? Bitcoin has about 1.5 or 1.8 trillion dollars invested in it right now. PNUT the Squirrel has $1.6 billion invested in it. Why do I think this is the number one meme coin that we're going to see pop off in this bull market? Here's a couple of reasons. One, this coin has only been around since November 4th. And so possibly a day before that, right? Yeah. So this coin's only about 13 or 15 days old, something in there. 13 or 15 days old, something like that, maybe a little bit more. But in that time, it went from a under $1 million market. It started at under $1 million in market cap. It went to 2.4 billion, presenting multi-100x opportunities for people out there. In fact, 1,000x opportunities for some people out there that got in early enough. Now, when we did our first video on this, again, it was at about a 20 million, so we gave about a 100x call on this coin. Why did we catch on to this coin? Well, the U.S. elections were a huge deal. PNUT the Squirrel was essentially murdered by the U.S. government, taken away, and this squirrel was viral on the internet. Memes are born, and meme coins are born by things going crazy on the internet. Viral videos, viral jokes. PNUT the Squirrel is not quite a joke. It's a very sad thing about a peanut. And the peanut just melted America's heart, it seems. And the internet went crazy because this squirrel was cute, he did tricks. He had a TikTok account that got millions of views. And then the US government came in, took the squirrel, and literally euthanized it. And a pet raccoon, Fred. So Peanut and Fred. There's a coin Fred too. I'm not as bullish on Fred. Everybody tries to chase like the next one. I think the original is always kind of the best. Peanut. I think Fred could go up, but Peanut's the focus here. Again, I think it's going to be the top meme. Why? Because in only 15 days or so, this already became, if you look at the Solana blockchain and you look at the top coins, this is already the third largest meme coin on Solana by market cap. And it's only existed for about 15 days. Bonk has been around for over a year now. Dog with Hat has been around for about a year now. Peanut the Squirrel got close to Dog with Hat and Bonk levels in 14 days. And here's the other thing, okay? Solana is moving up right now. So, this is sweet. Solana is moving up right now. It's breaking out of this wedge. It's going up in a very, very beautiful way right now. It's approaching its previous highs. And so Bonk, Dog with Hat, Peanut the Squirrel, Popcat, whatever, these are all Solana meme coins. All these coins have a lot of upside. But I'm going to continue to believe that Peanut the Squirrel could potentially, at the end of this bull market, be the number one meme coin on Solana. Why? Because just think about it, guys. What is the story behind Bonk? It's a funny dog meme that was around. It was an airdrop, and then it was around, and it was just a big meme that exploded in a bear market on a chain that everybody thought was a lot of people thought Solana was a dead chain for a minute. I was even fooled into thinking that for a second too. I'm not ashamed to admit it, which was dumb. That was dumb because Solana is the biggest thing out there. Solana is obviously here to stick around. Bonk's story is just, it was a meme that came up while things were kind of cooled off, right? And by the way, my partner on this channel was big time into Solana, and he made a ton of money on Solana, and he was on the Bonk train. He made a lot of money on Bonk, and so I'm not knocking Bonk. I think Bonk's going to keep going. Bonk is the first meme on Solana in this bull market to pop off, and so that alone says that Bonk, I think, is going to be Peanut the Squirrel's fiercest competition. Dog with Hat came out just randomly after Bonk. I don't know. It's the picture of the dog with the hat. It just came out and the mainstream media started talking about it. People made millions on it. And then we had a whole Solana meme coin mania, and Dog with Hat capitalized on it. It's a literal picture of a dog in a hat. It's a fun story. It's a dog coin, which is kind of a compliment to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. But now in this bull market, we have Pepe the Frog, okay? That is now the third largest cryptocurrency in the entire market cap. So if you look over here, you'll see the Pepe is the third largest, Shiba Inu is the second largest, and Dogecoin is the first. And so what am I telling you guys? I'm telling you that dog coins are cool and dog coins are huge, but I'm telling you that the frog is catching up to the dog. But now let's think about the story for Peanut the Squirrel. What is the story of Peanut the Squirrel? During a U.S. election, the U.S. government, who is very controversial, people have a lot of strong opinions about the U.S. government, and people in cryptocurrency especially, decentralization, away from centralized entities like a government, more towards decentralization, peer-to-peer interactions. This squirrel was murdered by the U.S. government. It's a cute squirrel. It was a trained squirrel. People loved him on the internet. It launched within the days leading up to and around the election, and then all of a sudden, you had a squirrel run across the stage at a political event right before the acceptance speech for the presidency, and this meme coin absolutely went to the moon. Then, if you haven't already seen this, let me show you this. On my Twitter, and this is another reason that I'm so bullish on Peanut the Squirrel. Okay, guys? I want to show you this. If you go to my Twitter, and I've only got 4,800 followers, biggest tweet I've ever had in the history of my Twitter account, and it's still gaining traction. It's got 151K views, and I said Peanut is going to 10 billion. Elon Musk tweeted about Peanut the Squirrel. Elon Musk, when he traditionally tweeted about Dogecoin, which, by the way, Dogecoin is going to be hard to pump. It's still got some pumpability. I believe Dogecoin can go to $2 to $5 or something like that. It's at a $53 billion market cap. It's going to be a lot harder to move. When Elon Musk tweets about it, it doesn't move as much as it did when it was at a lower market cap. But for Elon Musk to be tweeting about a coin that at the time was below $1 billion market cap, gave it extreme pumpability. I said that Peanut is going to $10 billion. I strongly believe that that is possible. I think that's achievable. If Peanut was to go to 10 billion right now and the other coins just stayed steady, that would make Peanut the Squirrel the biggest meme coin on Solana. That would actually make Peanut the Squirrel as big as Pepe at this point in time. There's even a chance that Peanut the Squirrel could flip Pepe, in my mind, because of the story behind this. It's much more than a squirrel. This squirrel is directly tied to America. America was saved by a squirrel and a meme coin. This is the opinion of Elon Musk. Elon Musk has a lot of influence. He tweets this out. I retweet his photo and say Peanut is going to 10 billion. It gets 151K impressions, which is insane for an account like mine to get 4,800 followers to get that many impressions. That's huge, which tells me people are excited. People are looking up Peanut. People are trying to learn about Peanut. I believe that Peanut the Squirrel does have a chance, as ridiculous as it sounds, to be above a $50 billion market cap meme coin. That's crazy to say. But yes, I think that there's a 20 to 50x opportunity still ahead for Peanut the Squirrel. I mean this with all seriousness. I also am not a financial advisor. I can't give financial advice. I don't want to give financial advice, but this squirrel meme is going wild. Now, if you want to trade this coin and you want to leverage trade this Peanut the Squirrel coin, you could do so. You could sign up for Blowfin using our link. You could find Peanut the Squirrel on Blowfin. It's a leverage trading platform. You can buy it on spot here. You can trade it all you want. There's a lot more upside in this crypto market. Well, why are these coins going to keep going? Why is Bonk going to go? Why is Peanut going to go? Why is crypto going to keep going up? Well, here's the big thing you got to know if you guys are not familiar with crypto or you're wondering where we're going next. The total market cap, guys, right now on a weekly candle is at its highest point that it's ever been in the history of the crypto markets. The weekly candle has never closed higher than this point in 6 hours. Okay, in 6 hours from the time of this recording, if this weekly candle closes up here, this is a decisive move, in my opinion, to say our next weekly candle is going to go higher. The total market cap is going to break into price discovery mode. Now, why do I think that Peanut the Squirrel could go to a $50 billion market cap? Because I believe that the total market cap for cryptocurrency is going to go to 10 trillion, maybe even $20 trillion in this bull market, which means hundreds of billions of dollars are going to flow into crypto. Because Bitcoin started this thing. It's now at a new all-time high and continuing to move upward. The total market cap is catching up. Solana is the hottest ecosystem in crypto still, especially when it comes to meme coins. There's going to be some competition, but there's no doubting that Solana has the strongest memes right now. And Peanut, I believe, is the strongest meme. Maybe Bonk stays ahead of it. Maybe Dog with Hat stays ahead of it. Maybe there's a new meme coin that comes out that surpasses Peanut the Squirrel. I don't know, guys, but we're going to keep looking into these things. But I will tell you this. I personally believe at this stage in the game, with the stories that are out there, Peanut the Squirrel is still a huge opportunity. And it is at a beautiful discount compared to where it was at its highs. Could it come lower? It absolutely could. It could dip back below $1 billion market cap, presenting an amazing opportunity. You never know. It happened with Bonk. It happened with Dog with Hat. Sometimes things come back down and then they blast off. But my sneaking suspicion is that the total market cap is blasting off right now, and Peanut the Squirrel is about to move up alongside it. And it's about to do it, I think, in a very big way. This squirrel meme is a little bit wild, guys. I think it's the #1 meme coin on Solana for this bull market at this stage of the game. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments down below. We originally picked this coin and talked about this coin well ahead of you having a 100x opportunity on this thing. Well, really, you didn't have a lot of time. We put out a video, and then you had about a day or so, and then it started moving up because of all the things that I just laid out for you. But guys, follow us for more content. We're going to keep the content coming. I'm not a financial advisor. There's not financial advice, but I'm bullish on Peanut the Squirrel, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. DCA HODL. If you're watching on X, give us a repost. If you're watching on YouTube, 2 videos here if you want to check them out. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.